Good evening. Welcome to the United Kingdom.
Good evening, officer. Thank you very much.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Where are you flying from?
I am flying from Italy, from Rome.
Rome is a beautiful city. I love it.
Thank you. It is very sunny there.
Are you a tourist here, Marco?
Yes, I am. I am a tourist.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for a vacation. I want to see London.
That is nice. London has many museums.
I want to see Big Ben and the river.
How long are you staying in London?
I am staying for 10 days. Exactly 10.
10 days is a good time. It is enough.
I hope the weather is good. Is it raining?
No, it is dry today, but bring an umbrella.
I have an umbrella in my bag. I am ready.
Good. I am checking your visa now.
Is everything okay with my visa? I hope so.
Yes, it is a valid visa. No problem.
Perfect. I was a little bit nervous.
Don't be nervous. We are just doing work.
I understand. The line was very long.
Yes, it is a busy evening. Many planes landed.
I see. Many people are visiting today.
Now, I need to scan your passport.
Please, go ahead. I am waiting.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. I have it here.
Can I see the date, please?
My flight is on the 20th of October.
October 20th. That is in 10 days.
Yes, it is a direct flight to Rome.
Great. Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I have insurance. It is in my phone.
Please show me the digital copy.
One moment. I am opening the file.
I see it now. It looks correct.
I always buy insurance. It is very safe.
That is a very smart habit. It is important.
Do you need to see my money?
No, I don't need to see cash.
I have my credit cards too. They work here.
Yes, most shops take cards. It is easy.
Are you a busy officer every day?
Yes, I work 8 hours. Many people pass.
It must be an interesting job. You see everyone.
It is interesting. I meet people from everywhere.
I am from a small town near Rome.
Small towns are peaceful. I like them.
Yes, it is very quiet there. Not like London.
London is very loud and fast. Be careful.
I will. I am a careful traveler.
Good. I am finished with the papers.
What is the next step? Do I wait?
Please look at the small machine.
This one with the green light?
Yes, that is the fingerprint scanner.
What should I do? Which finger?
Use your right index finger. Put it here.
Like this? Is it okay now?
Press a little harder. The light is blinking.
Okay, I am pressing hard. Is it scanning?
Yes, it is scanning now. Please wait.
Technology is everywhere today. It is amazing.
Yes, it helps us verify people. It is fast.
Is it done? Can I move my finger?
Yes, you can move it. Now the left one.
Left index finger. I'm putting it on.
Good. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2...
3. Is the scan successful?
Yes, the system says success. Everything is fine.
Do you do this for everyone? For every tourist?
Yes, we do. It is our security protocol.
It is a very safe system. I like it.
We want our country to be safe. For you too.
I appreciate that. Safety is number 1.
Are you carrying any food? Any meat or fruit?
I have some chocolate. Is chocolate okay?
Chocolate is fine, but no fresh fruit.
No fruit. I ate my apple on the plane.
That is bad. Fresh fruit is not allowed.
I have no meat either, only some biscuits.
Biscuits are fine. You can keep them.
Perfect. They're my favorite Italian biscuits.
I'm sure they are tasty. Now look up.
Up? At the ceiling?
No, look at the small camera. It is here.
Oh, I see it. Should I smile?
No, please don't smile. Stay very still.
Like this? Is this face okay?
Yes, that is perfect. Don't blink your eyes.
I am trying not to blink. It is hard.
Just 2 more seconds. Almost finished now.
1, 2.
Done. I have your photo now.
Can I see it? Is it a good photo?
It is a passport photo. Nobody looks good.
You are right. My passport photo is terrible.
It matches your face. That is the point.
Do you keep this photo in the system?
Yes, we do, for your visit period.
I understand. It's for identification.
Correct. You are a very smart traveler.
Thank you. I read the rules online.
That helps us a lot. Thank you, Marco.
You are welcome. I want to be a good guest.
I have one more question about your work.
Yes, I am an architect. I design houses.
An architect, that is a great profession.
I love my job. I love old buildings.
You will love London then. We have many.
I want to visit Westminster Abbey. It is old.
It is very old and very beautiful.
I will take my camera. I will take photos.
Good, but no photos at immigration, please.
Oh, I know. My camera is in my bag.
Where are you staying in London?
I am staying at a hotel. It is central.
What is the name of the hotel?
It is the Royal Garden Hotel, near the park.
I know that hotel. It is very nice.
Is it far from here? I need a taxi.
It is about 1 hour by taxi or train.
I think I will take the train. It is cheaper.
The Heathrow Express is fast. It is very easy.
Do you have the address of the hotel?
I need to write it down. Please tell me.
It is 22 Kensington Road in London.
Kensington Road. I am typing it now.
I have the booking on my phone. Look.
Yes, I see the confirmation number. It is good.
I paid for it yesterday. It is all ready.
Do you have any friends in London?
No, I don't. I am traveling alone.
That is brave. Do you speak good English?
I am learning. I practice every day.
Your English is very good. I understand you.
Thank you, Sarah. You make me feel confident.
You should be. You were doing great. Are there many Italians in London?
Yes, many. You will hear Italian everywhere.
That is funny, but I want to speak English.
Good. Practice with the taxi driver.
I will. I will talk to everyone.
That is the best way to learn.
I am ready for the next question. Can I see your return ticket again?
Oh, yes. Wait a moment, please.
Is it in your bag or on your phone?
I think it is a paper in my backpack.
Take your time. Don't worry, Marco.
I have many papers here, maps and guides.
You are very prepared. I like your maps.
Is this it? No, this is a receipt.
Look in the small pocket. Maybe it is there.
Ah, here it is. I found it.
Excellent. Let me check the flight number.
It is flight BA542 to Rome.
Departure on October 20th at 2 p.m.
Yes, that is correct. I have it here.
Thank you. I must be sure you leave.
I will leave. I have work in Italy.
We just have to check. It is a rule.
I understand your rules. They are for safety.
Exactly. Now everything is clear and correct.
I am very happy. Can I go now?
Just 1 second. I need to stamp it.
The stamp. That is my favorite part.
Really? Why do you like it?
It's like a trophy. I was in London.
You are funny, Marco. You have a good soul.
Thank you. You are a very kind officer.
I try to be. Travelers are often tired.
I am very tired, but I'm very excited.
You can sleep in the hotel. It is close.
Yes, first sleep, then Big Ben.
I am opening your passport now.
Please, put the stamp on page 5.
Page 5? Is it your lucky page?
Yes, it has my other stamps too.
Let me see. France, Spain, and Germany.
I love to travel. Europe is very small.
Yes, it is easy to move around.
Now I have a UK stamp. This is great.
Are you ready, Marco?
Yes, I am watching you.
There. It is official now.
Wow, it looks very professional.
It says today's date, October 10th.
Today is the 10th? I lost track of time.
Traveling does that to people. It is normal.
What time is it now? Is it late?
It is 7 o'clock in the evening.
7 o'clock. Perfect time for dinner.
Yes, you can find food near the hotel.
I want a burger, or maybe fish and chips.
Fish and chips is very British. Try it.
Is it delicious with salt and vinegar?
Yes, with lots of vinegar. It is very traditional.
I will try it tonight. I am very hungry.
I am closing your passport now.
Thank you, Sarah. You are the best officer.
Thank you, Marco. It was nice talking to you.
I learned some new English words today.
That is great. You are a fast student.
Now I am ready for London.
Here is your passport back, Marco.
Thank you. I will put it in my bag.
Keep it in a safe place. Don't lose it.
I have a special pocket. It has a zipper.
Good. Zippers are very safe for tourists.
I am ready for the adventure.
Go through those doors. Follow the exit sign.
Exit. I see the big green sign.
You will see the baggage claim first.
Oh, my suitcase. I must find it.
Look for your flight number on the screen.
BA542. I will look for it.
Have a wonderful stay in the UK, Marco.
Thank you, Sarah. Have a nice shift.
Thank you. I have 2 more hours.